Hello, I'm Maral, and in this video we are going to learn how to use the Boolean Operation tool in ArchiCAD 22. This is a tool that models simple objects by making them cut openings and holes. ArchiCAD is not the ideal program to have the ability to download lots of products, as the file will be too heavy. Therefore, this operation is useful as you can emulate the products yourself and model it afterwards. Now I will go step by step to show you how this technical process operates. First, you open the ArchiCAD file you are working on, or you can open a new one. So a simple tool to modulate in ArchiCAD with is the slab tool. So we will find it over here. We click on the slab and we will then draw the desired shape as we want. So first I will put my dimensions to 600 over the ground, and for the height I have 1600. So my dimensions is set up for a bookshelf I'm gonna make. So then we go back to the floor plan, and here we will find where you want to have your bookshelf. So my bookshelf will be in this area here. So we just click on here, and for the depth of my bookshelf I'll have it for 400, and for the length it will be 3800. There we go. So the next step will be to make sure that you have a layer called the Boolean Operations. So we go to the layers over here and we make a new one. Always double click on this space and we call it the Boolean Operations. So here we go. We always double click to make sure that our layer will be on top of the list. There we go. So now we go to the object tool, that is the chair over here, and here you go to the special constructions, and then you will go to the basic shapes. Here you will choose the most similar shape to what you gonna cut. So I will choose the cube one, and to begin with I will set my dimensions to 400 for the depth and 400 for the height, and also the depth is actually not relevant in this step at all. And for have it over the ground, my ground is a little bit higher than it should be, so I will have it make sure that my cube will shown over my shelf for now, and I will set it to 2300. There we go. So we will place the shape wherever we want on the slab, like that, and also make sure that we change the layer of our basic shape or to Boolean Operations. Alright. Now that the cube is inside the shelf, it will not be cut across. So we need to make sure that the cube shape protrudes on the sides of the slab. So we will do that actually just right here, where I will drag it a little bit outside, so we can see it's actually a little bit outside and outside here. Now we will start working on our module in 3D. we go to 3D, and here is my bookshelf. As you can see, it's over here. So, and we see my shape, my cube is just right over here. Here in 3D, we will start to select the shape, and we will move it to the correct height where you want it. So, Command D, and then we drag it wherever you want. I will say just right here for now, as I'm gonna have my shapes on the road over here to make my bookshelf completed. So now that we have the cube right here, we just check it off right there, and now select your slab and then right click on it. Then we will find the connect bottom here, and now mark the shape. And now we will find the solid element operations right over here. We click on it, and then a new window will pop up here. So the target is the part on which the operation is to take place, so our bookshelf. When we press target, you can see that it shows get the target. It shows that it's one target. So now we will check off our bookshelf when we don't close the window here. And now we will mark the shape, and if you have several shapes, you just mark them, all of them together. Here we go. So we mark our shape, and the shape here now is the things that we're gonna operate on. So when we press get operator elements, it shows it's one. Now we don't check our shape off as we did previous step, but now we will actually press on the subtraction bottom. Here you can choose whether the action should happen across or whether it should go all the way down or up. I choose to have it on just subtraction right here. There we go. Now we can click on the execute button. There we go. So nothing has happened yet. So now we will go to the options, and we go to our layers, and here you see that the eye is open as it should be. So here we are gonna click on our eye and then close the eye. There we go. See. Now we see that the cube shape disappeared, and it's holes, and it's a hole all the way. I'm going to show you over here, all the way through. So, and here we are. Here's the basics for creating a simple bookshelf by using Boolean operations. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.